Hello guys, if you want to improve your English, you are on right channel. Today we are going to learn fruit names and their use in sentence. But before starting the video, subscribe my channel for more videos. Banana, banana, banana. I like to eat a banana as a mid-morning snack. Apple, apple, apple. The teacher gave the student an apple as a reward for good behavior. Orange, orange, orange. Oranges are a good source of vitamin C. Pear, pear, pear. I like to bake pears with cinnamon and honey for a healthy dessert. Watermelon, watermelon. The juice from the watermelon dripped down my chin as I took a bite. Peach, peach, peach. I made a delicious peach salsa to serve with grilled chicken. Papaya, papaya. Papaya is rich in vitamin and minerals, making it a healthy addition to any diet. Mango, mango, mango. I love to eat fresh mango in the summertime. Strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. I picked fresh strawberries at the local farm this weekend.